Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how can you make the taskbar of the Windows transparent. It's gonna be very easy. So first you will have to open the settings, transparency settings actually. Yeah. So you will have to turn it on. So if we off it, then the taskbar becomes completely black. But we are gonna turn it on, so it will start to look a bit transparent, but we want 100% transparency. So we will open Microsoft Store, and here we will search trans sorry translucent. So here is the application, so we will go on it and let's install it. My internet is a bit slow, so I'll fast forward it. Let's install it. If the you own the app is not showing, then you can click on owning the app, then you will own the app and then start to install the translucent TV. So it's a really nice app, and you will have to just install it to make the uh, taskbar transparent or set the transparency of the taskbar. So yeah, it's installing the translucent and I think it's completed, so let's launch it. Okay, let's yes, click. So you can see that it has become a bit transparent when we are opening something, but it is not showing completely transparent. So let's make it 100% transparent. So click on it and let's see clear. Here is blur. So let's click on clear. So it has become clear and sorry, start menu open. Let's make it clear. So it will be it's always gonna be clear. So yeah, let's disable it to make 100% clear and uh, select all clears here. Done. So let's open anything. It will show completely transparent taskbar, and the whatever the picture will be in the desktop, it will show in the taskbar. So it's not gonna be black. Like I can show you by setting another picture. uh, let's open this and set it as wallpaper. Yeah, so it has changed, and there's no black taskbar, and still you can perform all the operations what you want to do on taskbar. So let's click on it and it's working, right? So fantastic video, right? So for more videos you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will show you some more tricks. And if you have any doubts, like if you want to know anything which is not available on YouTube, or you want any feature, I will make video on that. Comment that below in the comment section and I will reply on it. So have a nice day. Thank you.